Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you the best way to change the administrator name on a Windows device. This works on all versions of Windows. Let's get started. In the Windows search bar, type Run and open it. In the Run dialog box, type netplwiz and click OK. In the User Accounts window, you'll see the list of users. Double-click on the account you want to rename. Here you'll find two options, username and full name. The full name is the display name that shows on the Start menu and Login screen. The username is the system name used in places like Command Prompt. Change both fields as needed, then click Apply and OK. Click OK again to close the User Accounts window. Now, restart your computer. After the restart, the administrator name will be updated successfully. There's another way to do it. Right-click on the Start button and select Computer Management. In the Computer Management window, click on Local Users and Groups, then select Users. On the right-hand side, you'll see a list of all the user accounts. Right-click on the administrator account and choose Rename. Now, type in the new name you want for your administrator account and press Enter. You can also change the user's full name too. Close the window, and that's it. The administrator name has been successfully changed. You can also change the computer name or rename this PC. To do this, follow these steps. Right-click on the Start button and select System. Click on Rename this PC. Now, type in the new name you want. Click on Next. Click on Restart to take effect immediately.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.